Just the perfect sweet potato buns for your next hamburger. Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and join this great family. So family, I'm going to be showing you the recipe for sweet potato buns. Let's get right into it. In a bowl, we're going to go ahead and add milk, water, sugar and yeast and stir and give it about 5 minutes to see if our yeast is active. Make sure your water and your milk are warm. The next thing we're going to do is to actually mix all our ingredients. You want to make sure that at this point you put salt last because salt could actually stop the activity of your yeast. So go ahead and put all your ingredients together, and when you start mixing, you could then put in your salt. Once your dough starts forming, go ahead and scrape the sides of your bowl and let it mix for about 2 more minutes, then add spreadable butter about 3 tablespoons. Make sure you add the butter 1 tablespoon at a time, and usually the reason why we put butter at this stage is to make sure that our buns come out very fluffy. So fam, once your dough is ready, go ahead and transfer your dough to an already greased bowl and cover it for about 2 hours for it to rise. Two hours later, our dough has doubled in size. Let's go ahead and put it on a flat surface and begin shaping our buns. This recipe is going to give us about 9 buns, but you could make it bigger or smaller depending on how you want it. So go ahead and just gently pinch each side and fold it in, and then use your palm to rub it on your work surface to form a round ball. Place your round ball on a baking pan lined with parchment paper and gently press. Continue the same process with the other buns and cover it with clear wrap and let it rise for about 30 minutes. There we go fam, our buns have doubled in size, so the next thing we're going to do is to do an egg wash and sprinkle some sesame seeds. If your buns have some bubbles, go ahead and use a toothpick and take out the air. Bake your buns for about 15 minutes in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven. Transfer your buns to a wire rack and let it cool for about 20 minutes, and then you could do whatsoever you want to do with them. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.